G'day everyone, my name's Darren Lunt. I'm from Evo Building Products here at IHG EXPO 2023. I just want to take you through a quick demonstration of the Scrub Daddy, which is available now nationally in the warehouse. So the Scrub Daddy is a unique product. It comes in three different versions that are in your warehouse: the Scrub Daddy, the Scrub Mummy, and the Scrub Caddy. The unique properties of the Scrub Daddy is it remains firm in cold water. So this is cold water here. Put it in the cold water, and the product remains firm. Use it on those tougher jobs, pots and pans. Safe to use on any surface, won't damage the surface. I'll demonstrate that in a sec. Then the product can go in hot water. This water is only warm at the moment, but still do the job, and the product goes soft. So there it is, soft. So a lot of people are using this to clean inside, put the fingers through, clean inside, cups, tubs, that type of stuff. The great part about the product is it won't scratch any surface. So if we have the piece of timber that we've got here and we use the old Scotch-Brite and go as hard as I can, and then right next to it I'll get the Scrub Daddy. It's the firm side, and I'll give that a go on here as hard as I can again. I'll just wipe it off quickly with a cloth. You'll see the difference, and hopefully we'll pick that up on the camera where it's scratched the surface on that side with the Scotch-Brite, and on this side, as you can see, it hasn't scratched with the Scrub Daddy. So using a variety of surface, great for air fryers. Some people have been using it on cars, that type of stuff, but any surface basically, a great cleaning product, and not too much detergent or chemicals used in it as well, so it's environmentally friendly. Product's now available for you in your warehouse, coated. The other product is the Caddy. Caddy's a great product, especially people renting houses. Sticks on the inside of your sink or on the tiles. Eyes of the Scrub Daddy, and hold it up there and it will dry out on your sink. Great product, all available in your IHG warehouse nationally. Thanks for your time. Hope you have a great show.